Over 80% of drivers have zero clue these brilliant car tricks even exist. But here's the crazy part. One of these easy hacks could literally save you thousands by preventing early engine damage. And in 2026, with repair costs, parts shortages, and labor rates climbing higher than ever, ignoring simple car knowledge is more expensive than it's ever been. Most drivers still wait until something breaks before paying attention, but the smart ones learn these tricks before the warning lights come on, the smells appear, or the mechanic hands them a scary estimate. Every point in this video is practical, cheap, and proven. And if you skip even one, you might miss the exact tip that could have saved you money next month, next winter, or on your next long drive. So stay with me until the end. 15. Vaseline Revival Trick. Most drivers believe that when car interior plastic looks faded or gray, the damage is permanent. But in reality, the material is usually just dry and neglected. Over time, heat and sunlight pull moisture out of plastic and vinyl, making them look old and lifeless. A small amount of plain Vaseline on a soft microfiber cloth can bring those surfaces back to life. You only need a thin layer, gently wiped across dashboards, door panels, and center consoles, then buffed to remove any excess shine. The petroleum jelly soaks into dry material, restoring darker color while creating a light protective layer that slows future sun damage. This same method works well on rubber door seals, helping prevent cracking and reducing wind noise while driving.
Instead of buying expensive interior sprays that wear off quickly, one inexpensive jar can refresh your car many times. Many drivers are surprised by how much newer their interior looks after just a few minutes of careful cleaning. 14. Cat Litter Moisture Absorber. Foggy windows are not caused by bad glass or broken air vents, but by excess moisture trapped inside your car. Wet shoes, rain, humidity, and temperature changes slowly build moisture in the cabin, especially in colder months. Silica-based cat litter absorbs moisture from the air, making it a simple and cheap solution. Fill a clean sock or small fabric pouch with the litter and place it under a seat or on the dashboard. Unlike sprays that only work for a short time on the glass surface, this method removes moisture from the air itself. It works all year, helping stop fog in winter and reducing musty smells during humid weather. Lower moisture levels also protect seats, carpets, electronics, and interior trim from mold and bad odors. Replace or dry the litter every few weeks to keep it effective. This small trick improves visibility, comfort, and interior health without spending money on special products.
13.
Magic Eraser Scuff Removal. Scuff marks inside a car can make it look worn out, even if everything else is clean and well cared for. Shoes, bags, and daily use often leave black marks on door panels, consoles, and seat edges.
Magic erasers work well because they are slightly abrasive and lift dirt from the surface instead of just spreading it around. Lightly dampen the eraser and gently rub the scuffed area using very little pressure. This method works on plastic, vinyl, leather, and even some painted surfaces inside the car. It can also remove light scuffs from exterior bumpers caused by parking accidents. A small pack lasts a long time and costs far less than professional detailing. Always test on a hidden spot first, because pressing too hard can dull finishes. When used carefully, magic erasers quickly restore a clean, fresh look and make the entire interior feel newer again. 12. Headrest Emergency Escape Tool. In serious emergencies, many people panic and waste time trying to break car windows with their hands, which almost never works. What most drivers don't know is that many cars have removable headrests designed to help in these situations. When you pull the headrest completely out of the seat, you will see two strong metal prongs. These prongs can be used as an emergency glass breaking tool. By placing one prong into the corner of a side window near the frame and pushing or twisting, the tempered glass can break quickly and safely. This method works on side and rear windows, not on windshields, which are made differently. Knowing this trick before an emergency is critical because stress makes thinking difficult. It requires no strength, no tools, and costs nothing.
Practicing how to remove the headrest ahead of time is important because trying to figure it out during a flood, fire, or crash can waste precious seconds that could save your life. 11. Quiet a squeaky belt. A loud squealing sound from your engine often makes drivers think something is seriously broken, but that is not always the case.
Many belts squeak simply because they are dry, dirty, or slightly glazed, not because they are worn out. Belt dressing spray is designed to temporarily lubricate and condition the belt, which often stops the noise instantly. This can save you from replacing a belt that still has plenty of life left. Another benefit is diagnosis. If the squeal goes away for weeks, the belt is usually fine. If it comes back quickly, then it may be time to inspect pulleys or bearings. This method helps drivers make smarter repair decisions instead of guessing. However, ongoing noise should never be ignored completely. Used correctly, this simple trick reduces stress, saves money, and keeps your engine quieter without rushing into unnecessary repairs. 10. DIY cabin air filter replacement. Cabin air filters are one of the most ignored parts of a car, even though they affect the air you breathe every day. A dirty filter can cause weak airflow, bad smells, and extra strain on your air conditioning system. Replacing it yourself usually takes less than 5 minutes and requires no tools. In most cars, the filter is located behind the glove box and slides out easily. Once installed, a new filter improves air quality immediately and helps the AC work more efficiently. Many drivers are shocked to see how clogged their old filter is, often filled with dust, leaves, bugs, and debris. This buildup explains why the air smells musty or feels weak. Changing the filter once or twice a year helps prevent blower motor damage and costly HVAC repairs.
Doing it yourself saves labor costs and keeps your cabin air clean and fresh. If these tips are already helping you understand your car better, take a quick second to subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. We keep everything simple, useful, and straight to the point. And it really helps support the channel so we can keep bringing you more money-saving car tricks every week. 9. Remove hidden weight. Extra weight inside your car quietly reduces fuel economy and increases wear on important parts like brakes, suspension, and tires. Many drivers do not realize how much weight they carry every day, including tools, water cases, old bags, and items that no longer need to be in the car at all. Removing these things can improve fuel mileage right away without changing how you drive. Roof racks and cargo boxes create even more drag when left on the car, which makes the engine work harder on the highway and wastes fuel. Cleaning out your trunk and back seats also helps your car handle better and stop more smoothly. It is one of the easiest ways to save fuel because you only need to remove items you do not use. A lighter car uses less energy, feels quicker, and stays in better condition over time. This simple habit can save money month after month with almost no effort at all. Removing extra weight also reduces stress. 8. Headlight restoration hack. Cloudy headlights make it harder to see at night and also make your car look much older than it really is. A simple method uses toothpaste as a gentle cleaner to remove the cloudy layer from the headlight surface. The mild abrasive inside the toothpaste helps lift oxidation, while a small amount of petroleum jelly fills tiny scratches and creates a light protective layer that blocks sun damage. This combination helps headlights stay clear longer than many cheap store kits. Clear headlights improve safety, visibility, and confidence when driving in the dark or during bad weather. The process is easy. Apply toothpaste, scrub gently, rinse, then add a thin layer of petroleum jelly. Doing this once a year helps your headlights stay bright and strong with almost no cost. Many drivers do not realize cloudy headlights can reduce brightness by more than half. This simple cleaning method can make a big difference in how well you can see the road ahead. This keeps headlights clearer for longer. 7. Coin-in door theft prevention. Some thieves use a simple trick to keep a car from locking by placing a coin or a small piece of plastic inside the door handle. When the driver presses the lock button on the key fob, the door does not actually lock, but the driver often walks away without checking. This leaves the car completely open for the thief to return later and take anything they want without breaking anything. The best way to stop this is to quickly look at your door handles before walking away and then pull the handle after locking to make sure it is secure. This takes only a few seconds and prevents an easy break-in. Many people forget to check because modern key fobs make everything feel automatic, but thieves use this to their advantage. Making this simple habit part of your routine helps protect your belongings and keeps your vehicle safer in parking lots, driveways, and public areas.
This extra moment of attention can prevent many unnecessary losses easily. 6. Slime for vent cleaning. Car AC vents collect dust, dirt, and tiny debris that normal cloths or wipes cannot reach, especially deep inside the small openings. Cleaning slime is useful because it easily molds into the shape of the vent slats and pulls out particles like dust, pet hair, crumbs, and allergens that have been stuck there for months. When you press the slime into the vents and slowly lift it out, it removes dirt without pushing anything further inside. The same slime can also clean cup holders, buttons, narrow gaps, and other small spaces that are difficult to wipe properly. Clean vents help improve the air quality inside your car, making the air feel fresher and healthier to breathe. This is very helpful for people with allergies or for those living in humid areas where moisture can allow bacteria to grow inside vents. Regularly cleaning with slime reduces musty smells, keeps the system cleaner, and helps your AC blow cleaner air. The slime is reusable, simple, and very affordable. 5. Pencil graphite for sticky locks. When your car key feels hard to insert or the lock begins sticking, it does not always mean something is broken. Many times, the lock simply needs a little lubrication. Using a regular pencil is an easy and cheap solution because the graphite inside the pencil works as a dry lubricant. To use this method, rub the pencil tip firmly along the teeth and grooves of your key until a light layer of dark graphite covers it. Then insert the key into the lock several times so the graphite transfers inside the lock cylinder. This helps the pins and tumblers move smoothly again. Unlike oil-based sprays, graphite does not attract dirt or dust, which means it keeps the lock clean instead of creating a sticky mess. This trick works on ignition locks, door locks, trunk locks, and glove box locks. It is quick, effective, and prevents long-term damage caused by using oils that can clog the mechanism. This simple method often restores smooth key movement immediately. 4. Summer steering wheel hack. On hot days, the top part of your steering wheel sits directly under the sun, which makes it extremely hot and even painful to touch when you return to your car. A simple way to avoid this is to turn your steering wheel 180 degrees before getting out, so the part you normally hold is facing downward in the shade. When you come back, the grip area stays much cooler and comfortable. This prevents burned hands and reduces the wear and tear caused by constant heat exposure. The same idea works for your gear shifter too, especially in cars where the shifter is exposed to sunlight through the windshield. Keeping these surfaces out of direct sunlight helps protect leather, vinyl, or plastic materials from cracking, fading, or peeling over time. This small step takes only a second, but makes a big difference in comfort and interior durability. It also helps your car stay cooler overall and reduces the time needed for the AC to make the cabin comfortable again. 3. Hidden tow hook. Many cars come with a factory tow hook that most drivers never notice, even though it is stored in a simple spot near the spare tire or in a small compartment in the trunk. This tow hook is designed to screw into a hidden threaded mount behind a small square cover on the front or rear bumper. Using this correct tow point is very important because it prevents damage to the bumper, frame, or suspension when the vehicle needs to be pulled out of mud, snow, sand, or a roadside breakdown situation. Knowing where the tow hook is located can save valuable time during emergencies, especially when another driver or a tow truck needs a safe place to attach a strap or cable. Many people panic or attach straps to unsafe areas, which can cause expensive damage. Learning how to quickly access and install the tow hook gives you confidence and prepares you for unexpected situations. This simple tool is included with the vehicle for a reason. 2. Conversation mirrors. Many cars have small hidden mirrors built into the sun visors that help drivers see rear passengers without turning their heads, which greatly improves safety and awareness on the road. These mirrors are especially useful for parents who need to watch children in the back seat and for ride-share drivers who want to keep an eye on passengers while staying focused on driving. The mirrors usually flip down easily or slide out from behind a cover, giving a clear view of the back without adjusting the main rear-view mirror. If your car does not include this feature, inexpensive clip-on mirrors can be added to the visor or headliner to provide the same advantage. Using a conversation mirror lets you monitor activity behind you without losing sight of the road ahead, which reduces distractions and helps prevent sudden movements while driving. Developing the habit of using these mirrors keeps your hands on the wheel, your eyes forward, and your awareness higher, making every trip safer and more controlled. Always. 1. TPMS light reset. Tire pressure warning lights often turn on even when the tires are properly inflated, usually because of temperature changes or because the system needs a simple reset. Many vehicles allow drivers to reset the TPMS using a small button under the dashboard or through the settings menu on the instrument display. Checking and adjusting all tires to the recommended pressure on the door sticker before resetting ensures the system reads correctly. Understanding how this works saves time and avoids unnecessary trips to a shop that may charge for a basic reset. Cold weather can lower tire pressure enough to trigger the light, even though the tires are still in good condition. Driving for several minutes after inflation can also help the system update. Learning how to handle TPMS warnings helps you stay calm and make informed decisions, instead of worrying when the light appears. This simple knowledge prevents confusion, saves money, and gives you confidence whenever the dashboard shows a tire pressure alert. This helps avoid stress. Thanks for watching, and now you're fully ahead of the average driver with car tips that actually save money. Click any of these videos on your screen, and I'll see you in a moment.